Hey guys, welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the word enough. Enough as a determiner. As a determiner, enough is used before a noun. Let's see some examples. There was enough food for everyone. She doesn't have enough money to buy the dress. Enough as an adverb. Enough can be used as an adverb of degree after an adjective, a verb, or another adverb. Let's take a look. He isn't tall enough to ride the roller coaster. Her suitcase is big enough for all her clothes. Is he fast enough to get the ball? He'd studied enough to pass the exam. Enough with determiners and pronouns. We use enough plus of before other determiners such as the and my, and pronouns such as us and them. Let's look at some examples. I've had enough of you. She can't get enough of her favorite ice cream. Enough as a pronoun. Enough can be used as a pronoun when in context. Let's see. Would you like some more? No thanks, I've had enough. Help yourself. There's enough for everyone. Excellent work, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.